Hello children, I hope you all are good and fine. Today in the GK we are going to discuss chapter number 30. And the name of the chapter is Martial Arts. Martial arts these days it is going to be very famous, है ना. पहले से ये चलती आ रही है, बट अभी तो बच्चों को ना बहुत इंटरेस्ट हो गया मार्शल आर्ट्स को सीखने का. मार्शल आर्ट्स व्हेन यूज्ड एज एक्सरसाइज और स्पोर्ट्स improves the balance, then strength, our stamina और बॉडी की जो फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी होती है इसको इम्प्रूव करती है मार्शल आर्ट. कितने सारे फ़ायदे हैं इसके. इट इन्हांसेस वेट लॉस एंड टीच सेल्फ डिफेंस. सबसे ज़रूरी जो है ना, सेल्फ डिफेंस करना हमें सिखाती है. अब हमें क्या करना है, हमें इस चैप्टर में कुछ मार्शल आर्ट्स के हिंट दिए हुए हैं. वी हैव टू आइडेंटिफाई द नेम ऑफ दोज मार्शल आर्ट. So let's start the exercise with the first question. This martial art was originated in China, often considered a soft style. This art focuses more on the internal power of the participant. जो भी लड़ रहा है ना उसकी इंटरनल पावर को बढ़ाता है. While the physical movement can be used to defend oneself in combat, it also stress upon health and meditation. So ये है आपकी ताई ची, क्योंकि चाइना का है ना ये. So ताई ची. Then second, this martial art form is believed to have originated in China. It has been influenced by the philosophies of Buddhism, Confucianism and Taoism. So it has hundreds of styles and techniques. Some form use weapons such as sword. इसमें तलवार को भी यूज़ किया जाता है. So that is Kung Fu. Kung Fu. Then third, a traditional martial art from Japan which emphasize on throwing, immobilizing and pinning, joint locking, straggling technique. In Japanese the word means gentleness and the art and fighters are known as jutsuka. So jutsuka कहा जाता है. तो ये है आपकी जित्सु, JITSU, जित्सु. Now fourth, it is an Indian martial art practiced in Kerala and parts of neighboring Tamil Nadu. केरला और तमिलनाडु के आसपास के इलाकों में ये प्रैक्टिस होती है. It incorporates strikes, kicks, grappling, martial dance and weaponry as well as healing the technique also. So ये आपकी है कलारी पट्टू. So KALARE कलारी and then pattu, PAYATTU. Now moving to the fifth one, this martial art names means empty hand. It was first practiced by Buddhist monks in China. It is combination of meditation and self defense. जब हम empty hand की बात कर रहे हैं तो ये है हमारा कराटे. Then moving to the sixth one, it is a national sports of Thailand and also known as Thai boxing. So it is referred to the science of 8 limbs as the hand, shins, elbows, knees are all used extensively in this art. ये सब यूज़ होता है तो इसे हम कहते हैं मोथाई, MUAY, मोथाई, THI. Then the last one, it is the modern martial art and combat sports in which you have to use the weight of your opponents to your advantage. It was founded by the Japanese educator Jigoro Kano. So Jigoro Kano ने इसे किया था invent, that is judo. So that's end for this game. I hope you understand. Now it's your turn. Learn the exercise carefully.